Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable the notification visibility on the lock screen on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile and then underneath system, select notifications and actions. And then there should be something on the right side for notifications. Get notifications from apps and other senders. Make sure that it's toggled on first. And then you can check mark where it says show notifications on the lock screen. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.